Lord, we praise you. Lord, we thank you. Pinapabayan na namin sa iyo yung lahat na mangyayari pa in the ceremony, in the reception, even in the after party, and even in the days after.
Maaari ko bang padaanin itong musikang galing sa'kin? Huwag sanang iwasan ng tingin.
I love you so much, Rachel. I am the person today because of the way you love me. Both pushes me forward and accepts me where I am.
Kagandahan ako naman sana'y pansinin.
This is for Josh. E, for the maid of honor. Ano pangalan? Nicole. Oy, pilan nyo din ako. Uy, bagay sa ko.
Aja. Then, sa'yo yan. Basic lang. Boom! Yan nga lang mabibigay ko. Sensya na bro Mga bro, sensya na.
Ito yung suot namin.
Oh, yan.
Bigin sa saya ka sa aking piling. Aalagaan kung kailangan sa
Sobrang excited na ako. Kaya medyo na lost for words na ako kasi kaba, excitement, and happy. Super happy.
sa mata ko. Maaari ko bang
Best wishes, dito lang ako. Pag kailangan mo, I love you.
Thank you. Ayan, yun yung number one na masasabi ko. Thank you for all those years na inalagaan mo ako. And pinalaki mo ako into being to who I am right now. Thank you dahil sa lubos-lubosang pagmamahal mo. Tingin sa kamukha. Sino ba kamukha ko? Ikaw yung naging main provider ng bahay and alam kong lagi mo kaming inuuna sa mga bagay-bagay. Parang ikaw ang kami, yung pamilya mo yung naging priority namin. So thank you. Walang hanggang pasasalamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo.
Best wishes, son, Engineer Carl, continue for your dreams. Don't stop. Marami palayo pabarating mo. Alam ko.
So ito yung isa sa mga happiest day of your life. So enjoyin mo lang.
Gusto lang kitang i-congratulate. Kahit di pa nangyari yung ceremony.
Good luck sa sa bago mong endeavors na tatahakin.
Focus sa goal.
Focus sa goal.
Pira. Let's go.
kami ang oo mo? Kung nagdududa ng masaktan kita, pangakong hinti-hinti. Kung pipiliin na ibigin sa saya ka sa aking piling, aalagaan kung kailangan sa siyaw ka ng dahan-dahan. Huwag nang isipin ang mundo at tumingin ka lang sa mata ko. At kung pipiliin na ibigin sa siyaw ka sa aking piling, aalagaan kung kailangan sa siyaw ka ng dahan-dahan. Huwag nang isipin ang
I don't know why do I still have to give you a gift when you're literally about to get the most amazing gift ever. Me? Kidding aside, not really. This gift, the necklace, symbolizes the greatest love of all and is and will be a constant reminder of how my love for you should be as your husband. Ay, ang ganda!
It's like it was yesterday. I was praying for a miracle, scared to have a little hope. And now looking back today, seeing all the things you've done.
This watch represents time we share and about to share. Every moment with you is a gift I will cherish forever. Can't wait to meet you at the end of the aisle. Your bride.
Yun, no?
Hey! Thank you, babe. I love it. I love it. Thank you, babe.
Counting my blessings, all that you've done in my life. The more that I look in the details, the more of your goodness I find.
Sama kayong mabuti ng asawa mo. Yun lang. At bigyan niyo ako ng apo.
Thank you sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo. Hindi man naging madali yung buhay, pero hindi ka nagkulang.
Oh,
Salamat sa lahat.
salamat din sa'yo.
Kahit na magkakaroon na ako ng bagong pamilya, hindi matatapos yung pagiging bunso kasi. And nandito pa rin ako.
Oh, masayang-masaya ako ngayon na nakasal ka na. Basta, ibibigay mo sa kanya ang lahat, respeto, pagmamahal, at maging sentro ng buhay niyo ang ating Panginoong Jesucristo. I love you, Bunso!
God orchestrated our love story so perfectly. He had to mold me. I had to know Him first, so I could understand the love that He has for me. So then I could love you this much, this big. Only then I could give the love that you deserve. I never thought that love between two imperfect people could be this beautiful. My heart has been longing for this. It has been longing for you.
God, I'm still counting my blessings. All that you've done in my life. The more that I look in the details, the more of your goodness I'll find. Father, on this side of heaven, I know that I'll run out of time, but I will keep counting my blessings, knowing I can count that high. I will keep counting my blessings.
So as we enter this new journey of our lives, I cannot say that this will be easy, but I promise to stand by your side through ups and downs, to work our disagreements with patience and love, to always choose you, choose us, even in the toughest times. So today, this I promise to you, habang buhay sa'yo lang ako. I love you.